Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with another edition of What Makes This Trade Great. You know, the theme this week has been how to use the AI. This is another AI alert, BRZE. It's an earnings play. Look what happened. We had an alert. That little candle there shows you the 15-minute candle. This is at 9:45. The alert price was at 38.45. Yes, it popped up, but it came right back down. And as I'm suggesting to people, just stick another price alert where it happened, because look what happened afterwards. You could have waited 15, probably 20 minutes to get into this trade after that first bit of excitement. And look what it did. It went from 38.51 before it really pulled back all the way up to 41.86. I mean, that's over a $3 gain. I mean, it's pulling back now, but that's how I use this AI. Okay, guys, I want to get back into the room. I hope you've had a good week with the test drive. We'll see you Monday.